and I discovered this flip from my 2003 Honda Accord. I'm so excited. Come to aid. ILocksmiths.
Thank you so much, miss.
Ok, hicieron esta llave de la Toyota Scion 2006, la convirtieron en esta pequeña llave, tiene la llave y el control remoto al mismo tiempo. Lo hicimos aquí en la Coney Island,
1742 Coney Island Avenue.
1742 de Coney Island Avenue. Este señor lo pudo hacer y convirtió esta llave en este control.
Muchas gracias, señor.
Muchas gracias.
Hi, I'm David. I lost a key from my RAV4 2015. I found this beautiful iLock store on the Yelp, and he came in, and very fast, very well priced. I suggest you come to this guy. He's the car key guy.
Thank you very much.
I'm Emma Ford Perry, and I'm at ILocksmiths on Coney Island Avenue in Brooklyn. And I lost my car key. My car key was like, I had to like squeeze it real hard just to get the car to work to get here. And the owner was very professional and very friendly. And I was rushing around in the storm, that's how I got all wet. But now I have 2 sets of keys at a really good price because I looked up that $179 price on Yelp, and he gave me that deal and a little bit more.
Thank you very much.
Hi guys, this is Abe from iLocksmith. We have Honda Odyssey 2006. This is the original remote and key. You see, it's like here. It's unlocking. Yeah, this is with a fully functioning sliding door and trunk and panic. The customer wanted a second key for his wife. She don't use those, so we made this one. The flip key, which is a lot stronger and safe. And let me show you how it's working. Unlocking, locking, and of course, starting the car. Car is running. Check it from one side also.
Only by iLocksmith.